Hello guys, my name is Hayam Shoberi, and in this short video I'm going to show you how to create your own blog or website for free. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to do, I'm going to go to my Safari and then I'm going to type Google and then WordPress, and then I'm going to go to wordpress.com, create a free website or blog. Then click on create website. I type over here Hayam blog, then as you can see over here, if I want to pay £15, which is for the hayamblog.com, I have to select this one. But for right now, I'm gonna I'm gonna select the free one. If you are in the United States, it's gonna show you in dollars, or if you are in other country, I'm not familiar with that, but because currently I'm in London, so it's showing me in pounds. So I'm gonna click on this one for free. And then there are three types of plans: the free and the premium and business. If you want to know more about that, you have to click on read more. So for right now, I'm going to click on the free plan. Okay, so I'm going to type my the email that I created for this one, which is hayamblog@gmail.com, and then I'm gonna type Hayam as a username, maybe Hayam blog. Okay, so, and then it's not available. That's weird. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So create a password. It's really up to you. I'm gonna click use a easy one because I'm not gonna use this one. Okay, and then save setting, creating your account, adding your domain, adding your theme, and free plan selected. Okay, so right now I'm gonna choose the selected theme. From over here, you can select a free one, or if you wanna pay for any of the themes that are available. I'm gonna choose a free one. Over here, it's just a preview. So let's see. This is the theme that I chose. So I'm gonna choose, if you want to see it on tablet or on mobile, this is the way that will look like. So try and customize. Okay, so over here, this is the blog. This is the blog. This is how it will look like. If you want to edit the site title, the tagline, and the logo, just click on that and just edit any of those. Go back and edit the colors and the backgrounds. The same thing if you want to choose a different background. If you want to choose a different background, as you can see over here, is the background that chosen is the default one. Go back and change the font, the header image, which is this one. If you want to choose it, just click on header and then add a new image by uploading that on this website. So if you want to add menu, you can add menu from over here. If you want to add widgets with our, which is like RSS or email subscription or anything else. And if you want to choose what type of image you're gonna have, or excuse me, what type of page you're gonna have on the first page. If you want to have the latest post, you're gonna choose this one, or if you want to choose a specific page, you can choose this one to have it on your first page. And then when you are done, just click on save and activate, and from over there, you can see that everything is very self-explanatory, and you can go through any of this. If you need anything else, you can go on YouTube and just type WordPress tutorials, and you will see like tons of videos on YouTube. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and see you later, guys. Bye bye.